Hello, welcome back. You can see I have written one question. Let's do that first. Sketch the curve y squared equals x times 4 minus x whole squared. Right, the moment it is y squared, it is symmetrical about x-axis. When x is 0, y is 0. Yeah? And when x is 4, y is 0. So that much I know. To get the graph, what happens between 0 and 4? Put x equal to 1, let's say. Y will be, y squared is 3 squared. So y is plus minus 3. So at 1, it is plus 3 and minus 3. Suppose you put x as 2. Y squared will be 2 times 4, 8. So y will be root 8 and root 8. Root 8 is less than 3. So somewhere here. Put x as 3. Y squared will be 3 times 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. So y squared is 3. Y is plus minus root 3. So this is a graph like that. And because of symmetry, the graph goes like this. So you have a loop between 0 and 4. Can you see that loop? It's a symmetrical loop. So therefore, if I want the area, I just integrate from 0 to 4. Remember, when I integrate from 0 to 4, I'm going to get that area. Okay? To get the other area now, I have to multiply by 2. So let me put this the other way. So therefore, area equals twice integral 0 to 4 y dx because of symmetry. So that's twice integral 0 to 4. What is y? 4 minus x times root x dx. You can do it in so many ways, but the easiest way would be 2 integral 0 to 4, 4x power half minus x power 3 over 2 dx. Otherwise, you can do this integration by parts. U is 4 minus x, dv by dx is root x. Why am I calling u as 4 minus x? LATEC does not work here because if I write LATEC, both are algebraic. Which comes first, which comes next? Boom, you don't know. So, there you use common sense. Whichever vanishes or becomes less in power as you differentiate should be u. I could do that. But it's a straightforward question, so I could do it this way. 2 times 4x power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 minus x power 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 between 0 and 4. So 4 times 8 x power 3 over 2 divided by 3 minus 2 x power 5 over 2 divided by 5. I prefer simplifying first instead of putting in the values because I find that easier. But you don't have to. Okay, you don't want me to simplify? Are you sure? You want me to simplify? Nah. So fractional power, so you might go wrong. So don't simplify. Agreed? So 2 times, when you put x as 4, square root of 4 is 2, 2 cube is 8, 8 times 8 is 64 over 3. Minus square root of 4 is 2, 2 power 5 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64, 64 over 5. That's 128 times 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5 is 2 over 15. So it is 256 over 15 unit square. I am loath to use calculator. If I can help it, I will not use calculator. I forgot to turn on the stopwatch, so I'm assuming I've taken about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay. Now I have to find the volume. Remember, when you rotate 360 degrees about y-axis, about x-axis, you're going to get a solid like this. Yeah? But even if you rotate 360, you don't have to multiply by 2. So therefore it is volume is pi integral 0 to 4 y squared dx, which is pi integral 0 to 4. What's y squared? Don't square that, it's already there. X times 16 minus 8x plus x squared dx. I find that easier. Pi integral 0 to 4 16x minus 8x squared plus x cube dx. Correct? Yeah, 4 to the 8, yeah. So that's pi times 8x squared minus 8x cube over 3 plus x power 4 over 4 between 0 and 4. 16 8s are 128. 4 cube is 64. 64 times 8 is 512 over 3 plus 4 power 4 is 256. No. Yeah. 4 power 4 is 256 divided by 4 is 64. Should I use the calculator? 128, 192, no, 128 times 3. 3 8s are 24, 2, 3 2 is 6, 384, 4 plus 2, 6, 9 plus 8, 17, 1, 576, minus 512, 4, 7 minus 1 is 6. So 64 pi over 3 would be, of course, you will use a calculator. I not expect you to do without a calculator, okay? Alright, hopefully it should work. If I'm not correct, there will be an arithmetical error you can figure out. I'm not much worried. I'm more worried about the integration and the use of formulae, substituting the limit. The final answer, well, if I'm setting the exam, I won't bother because I know I'm going to get 99. I won't get 100. Not 99, about 94 because I tend to commit silly arithmetical errors. That's me, that's not you. So let me look at the next question. So I've taken about 7 minutes. Let me take some horrible questions. Show that the curve y equal to 1 over x ln x. Life already is going to become strange. 1 over x ln x. Oops, sorry. 1 over x ln 1 over x. Okay. Passes through 1, 0. That's part A. Okay. What else does it say? Part B. Show that it has a minimum at 1 e. Part C, show further that the tangent to the curve at x equal to root e passes through the origin. I like this question because I'm going to end up doing tangents, normal, differentiation, maximum, minimum, everything. I'm so happy. Find the part D, find the area enclosed by this curve, the tangent in part C, and the x-axis. Oops, that would be a 14-15 mark question. Let's go step by step. Y is 1 over x, ln 1 over x. At x equal to 1, y will be 1 ln 1, which is 0. Therefore, passes through 1, 0. You will just get only 1 mark to do that. That's part A. Station, it has a minimum point. Minimum or maximum, dy by dx must be 0. So what I do is, look, this is why I purposely took this. So that's U, that's V. And our students, I'll just show you how life can be easy if you can think for a minute. Suppose I do it directly. So dy by dx equal to U times dv by dx. ln gives you 1 over x times 1 over x gives you minus 1 over x squared plus v is ln 1 over x times 1 over x gives you 1 over x squared. You understand that? ln gives you 1 over x, 1 over whatever you have, and when you differentiate inside I get minus 1 over x squared. And then v is ln 1 over x, that gives you 1 over x squared. Sorry, minus 1 over x squared. Life is terrible, isn't it? But remember, I always tell you, God has given us brains. Instead of writing like this, what if I wrote this as y equal to 1 over x ln x power minus 1, or y equal to minus 1 over x times ln x. Isn't differentiation much easier now? Now use u over v. Even for integration, that's easier. So u dy by dx equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. U is minus 1 over x times ln x gives you 1 over x plus v is ln x minus 1 over x. Look, 1 over x gives you minus 1 over x squared. So minus 1 over x gives you plus 1 over x squared. So it is 1 over x squared times ln x minus 1. When you equate it to 0, 1 over x squared cannot be 0. So ln x equal to 1, x equal to e. When x is e, what is y? Minus 1 over e ln e, which is, no, that's wrong. I think this is a printing error in this question. Oh, no. At x equal to e, that's all it says. I'm sorry, I copied the question wrong. I need to show it is a minimum. So you have to differentiate that. That's going to be difficult. So you know x is e. So dy by dx equal to 1 over x squared times ln x minus 1. Look, this is e, this is 1, that is 3. This is 2. Yeah, because E is 2.71, so it's between 2 and 3. So at this way, what is dy by dx at x equal to 2? That's always positive. So ln2 minus 1. What's ln2 minus 1? ln2 minus 1 is negative 0. ln3 minus 1 is positive. Negative, 0, positive, so minimum. You must prove minimum because show that it's a minimum. They don't want a minimum point, but they want you to show it's a minimum. Agreed? Otherwise, you can do u dv by dx, v du by dx again and put x equal to e. I find this easier than that. So in other words, you must make a judgment call. Which would be easier for you? Whether to differentiate again or to do this. Okay. So I have done that bit. I'm going to keep the dy by dx because I need it. Why do I need it? Because the next one says find tangent. So I need it. So therefore, y equal to minus 1 over x ln x and dy by dx equal to 1 over x squared times ln x minus 1. X equal to root e. Y is equal to minus 1 over root e times ln e power half. That is minus half over root e ln e. ln e is 1. So it is minus 1 over 2 root e. So the point is root e comma minus 1 over 2 root e. Agreed? Okay. Is that correct? Let me confirm because e power half is half ln e, half is 1 over 2 root e. Boom, yes. I got that. Now, what's the gradient? X equal to 1 over root e, dy by dx equal to 1 over root e, the whole squared, times ln root e minus 1. That is 1 over e times half ln e minus 1, which is 1 over e times half minus 1, which is minus 1 over 2e. Am I correct? No, I would prefer put x as root e, 1 over root e whole squared. Have I copied the question correct? I just want to confirm I've copied the question correct. The tangent at the point x equal to root e. Okay. So 1 over e, ln root e is half ln e. ln e is 1, half minus 1 is minus half. So minus 1 over 2e. And the gradient is minus 1 over 2e. So now I must show it passes through the origin. How do you show? Get the equation of the tangent. So tangent at x equal to root e is y minus 1 over 2 root e equals minus 1 over 2e times x minus root e. Let's multiply throughout by 2e. So 2ay minus root e is equal to minus x. I've gone wrong in a minus sign somewhere. Plus root e. That root e should have cancelled. Where have I gone wrong? X equal to root e minus 1 over root e times ln e power half. So that's okay. dy by dx is that 1 over x squared times half minus 1 minus half. So minus 1 over 2e. The gradient is minus 1 over 2. Ah! You see? Idiot. There. That's it. Now that goes. So y equal to minus 1 over 2e times x passes through origin. One small mistake. I was wondering where I went wrong. You have shown that passes through origin because I forgot the y minus y1. Oh, idiot. Okay. I need the equation of the tangent and the equation of the curve. What the equation of the curve? Y equal to minus 1 over x ln x, and the tangent is y equal to x over minus x over 2e. It passes through the origin. You don't have to really draw the graph. There is a tangent, and at x equal to 0, y tends to infinity. Yeah? And when x is 1, y is 0. When x is 1, ln 1 is 0. And there is a tangent. What was the point? X equal to root e. So in other words, the graph may be, to be honest, how does the graph go? At x equal to 1, y is 0. At x equal to e, x equal to root e, y is minus 1 over 2 root e, isn't it? Half, yeah, minus 1 over 2. Root e is root of 2.7, is more than 1. So this is 1. So more than 1, it's somewhere like that. And then you see the graph may x equal to 1, y is 0. And then at x equal to root e, x equal to root e somewhere there. So that's the point root e. That's a very clever curve. Let's draw this graph for a moment. As x tends to 0, ln 0 tends to infinity, so it's almost 0. And then at x equal to 1, y is 0. Between 0 and 1, what happens? That is negative. That's negative, so the graph is positive. So the graph goes somewhere, of course that point is not included, and it goes like that somewhere, and that's the tangent you have got. Now you have to find the area enclosed. This is the point, root e, and then minus 1 over 2 root e. This is the point 0, 0. Look, I put a circle there because at x equal to 0, it's not defined. I should have done dy by dx equal to 0, x equal to dy by stationary point as a minimum point x equal to e. So, it comes there later. X equal to 0, it's not defined. X equal to 1, y equal to 0. When x is 1, ln 1 is ln 1 is 0, so that is 0. At x equal to root e, it is there. And at x equal to e, ln e of minus 1 over e is somewhere there. That's a minimum point. So the graph, I'm not too sure how the graph goes. So you know that's a minimum point. So I think it is somewhere like this. So I've drawn the tangent here. That tangent there passes through the origin. That's the minimum point. So that tangent passes through the origin, and I have to find that particular area. Area between the curve and the tangent and the x-axis. How do we do this? Can you see now if I were to draw, shade it using a different color? Hopefully this works. You see here, there is a blue triangle. From that, you remove this bit. Then you get the remaining, isn't it? So therefore, I need to integrate between 1 and root E. Area between curve and x-axis is integral 1 to root E minus 1 over x ln x dx. Remember methods of integration. Can I integrate directly? I cannot integrate directly. So what do? Substitution. Inspection. When I differentiate ln x, I get 1 over x. So can I say minus integral 1 to e power half ln x times 1 over x dx. So if I were to call this as u, that becomes du. So it is u squared over 2. So it is minus ln x the whole squared over 2 between 1 and root e. So what does it become? It becomes ln root e the whole squared over 2 with a minus plus ln 1 whole squared over 2. Root e is e power half. I purpose wrote e power half. Ln e power half is half ln e, which is half. Half squared is quarter. Quarter over 2 is an eighth. So it's a minus 1 over 8. I want the modulus, so the area is 1 over 8. Okay. Now let me draw a diagram to make you understand this last bit. I got that 1 over 8. You see, I have a triangle like this. This is root e, and that one is, when you put x as root e, I found it to be minus 1 over 2 root e, isn't it? So therefore, it is 1 over 2 root e. So that area is a half times base times height, which is 1 over 4. So required will be triangle minus area under curve, which will be quarter minus 1 over 8. So the answer is 1 over 8. Good question, isn't it? And you know how long? It has taken me about 20 minutes. 22 minutes. So I'll stop there. See you in the next lesson. Hello. I want to take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks. I would like to thank Vivid Innovations Private Limited and Commerce Forum for so generously giving up their studio and the facilities and the services of their technicians to record all these videos for free. I think that needs to be acknowledged and appreciated. Thank you very much. And my special thanks to Mr. Nitin Mahadevappa, Mr. Nishant Guruswamy, and Mr. Sadan Kumar DN for all their help and assistance in getting these videos ready, uploaded, and launched. Thank you very much.